boyfriend's house. I'm sorry, officer. I bartended at Blake's and I've been hanging up and a check all night.
Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, I do, sir. Please, please don't arrest me, please.
Why would I arrest you?
Because I'm having such a panic attack now.
Panic attack's not against the law.
I'm supposed to pay off a boot in Providence. I'm sorry. That's why I was avoiding you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
What's your type? Get out of your car.
No.
Get out of the car, the window gets smashed.
No.
Get out of the car.
Officer?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
For what?
Just get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
Do yourself a favor, just get out.
No, please. No, please. I'm sorry, please. I'm very scared. I have debilitating anxiety.
Okay, listen, here's the deal. Alright? If you have such anxiety, okay, you're flying down the road, then you try ducking me down some side streets, pulling into a parking lot, and shutting your lights off, pretending I didn't see you.
That wasn't
Okay.
what it was. I was pulling off the
Then, not
side
to
of the
mention,
road.
you don't have a license.
I do have a
It's
license.
suspended.
No, it's not.
It is.
My license is not suspended.
Okay, I just ran it. The state
My
of
license.
Stop.
As of when?
As of last year.
No, my license is.
Why are we screaming? Why are we screaming?
Because Jimmy, they're saying my license is suspended as of last year. That's. No, my license, Jimmy.
Can you come get her?
Jimmy, are you listening? No, Jimmy, are you listening to them?
I wouldn't listen. Jimmy, is there any way you can come get her? Yeah, I can come get her. Come get her, please.
They're saying my license is suspended.
Stop! Why are you screaming?
Jimmy, shut up!
Oof.
They are saying my license is suspended as of.
They just asked me if I could come get you. I can come get you right
Are you listening, Jimmy? They're saying my license is suspended as of last
How much
year.
you have anything to drink tonight? Behind the
I just got off of work.
at a bar.
They just said that my license is suspended as of
Hold on. Stop talking. Jimmy.
Excuse
Stop.
me. No, officer.
You're working your way into jail, okay? I'm going to tell you that right now. Just stop talking and let me talk to Jimmy.
My license is suspended, Jimmy. Jimmy, no. Jimmy, you shut up. And they said my license is suspended as of last year. I'm calling mommy. I'll be calling mommy.
Talk to mommy like that, I'm sure she's gonna fucking hang up on me too.
You know, I was having Jimmy come pick you up, but you hung up on him.
Right out of the gate, we're in high tension mode. Notice the officer giving a clear lawful command. Step out. That's important because under U.S. law, officers can order drivers out of a vehicle during a stop. The real question is, does refusing here escalate things unnecessarily, or is she reacting purely out of panic? What would you do in this moment? This is where things start stacking up legally. She admits to avoiding the officer and possibly having prior issues with her vehicle or license. Even if the panic attack is real, those statements can, and likely will, be used against her. Key takeaway. Anything said during a stop can become evidence. The tension here isn't just emotional.
So I couldn't even tell him where you're at.
Mommy is, High City Highway.
I don't care what your mommy is.
Hi,
I'll be the
Mommy.
president of the United States.
Hi, Mommy. So I'm driving home from work, and these officers are saying that my license has been suspended since last year.
No, that was reinstated when you went to court.
I'm telling you right now, I just ran it. It comes back as suspended.
Yeah, my license comes back as suspended. So I'm sitting right outside of Taco.
No, you're about a mile away.
Taco is right there.
Yep. Taco's right there.
Taco's right there.
This isn't Taco.
Yep. That's Taco. That is
How
Taco.
much you had to drink tonight?
He's being. What's your badge number?
Sergeant DeCosta.
Sergeant DeCosta.
This is all on camera. It's all on camera. The whole thing.
Right here.
It's not
Is
really-
it?
Yeah, it
it's not
is.
helping your cause.
Mommy, I didn't do anything wrong. I was trying to come home,
I thought you were going to your boyfriend's house.
which is right next to my mom's house. You fucking asshole. Mom.
Yep. She's right. Your mom's right.
No, I'm damn not. Can you please come? They're not giving me space to talk to you alone. They followed me. I was driving right. They followed me all the way fucking to this parking lot. I hid here because I was being followed home, and now Sergeant DeCosta is standing outside of my car.
The funny part is we're trying to get you out of here because clearly, and they don't want to deal with you either.
Oh, they just said that you and Jimmy both don't want to deal with me.
You talk to everyone like shit.
Because I'm a piece of shit. Because I'm a piece of shit. They need to get away from me.
You said you talk to everyone like shit.
Mommy, you need to fucking get here. I'm gonna take them.
Someone come get here.
Are they gonna? They said if somebody shows up here,
Someone.
they'll let me fucking go. But close my fucking door, please, and thank you.
Listen, you're not in charge of this car stop, okay? You're working your way into jail. Keep running your mouth.
Oh, Mommy. Mommy, I'm not a nigga. I ain't no nigga.
That's real nice.
Yeah, I ain't no fucking nigga. Work on that.
You should work on that.
You should work on that.
You have an anger problem.
You should work on that.
You have an anger problem.
You should work on that. Get them the fuck away from me. These people do not know. Tell him where I am. No, they won't. They told me I have to tell you where I am.
I'd love to tell them where you're at, but you keep screaming at everybody.
Tell my mom where I am. Tell my mom where I am.
Where does your mom work again?
City Highway Department.
Bodycam footage out, sees you acting like this. Oh, that's gonna look on.
I can't wait.
Yeah, me
I
either.
can't wait. She's been there 30 years. Fuck you. Tell my mother where I am.
She's behind the Cranston Senior Center if you'd like to come pick up this lovely lady.
This lovely lady.
Someone come get her.
This lovely lady. Tell her my name. Do you have my name?
It's building a legal case in real time. And here's the turning point. The officer warns about breaking the window. That signals escalation to use of force. Legally, once a lawful order is repeatedly ignored, officers can escalate. But emotionally, she's spiraling. This clash, law versus human panic, is exactly where situations like this explode. Could this have been de-escalated better on either side? Now we got a factual dispute. She says her license is valid. The officer says it's suspended. In court, this gets settled with records, not arguments. But roadside, the officer's database check usually controls the situation. Even if she's right, resisting here won't fix it. It only adds potential charges like obstruction.
Do you have my name? What's my name?
You hang up on everyone that's trying to help you.
I don't know, seriously.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Shut your fucking mouth and don't say another word to that cop. Don't say another word, you will
Real fun. Ending
Okay.
24,383.4.
Tell me what your badge numbers are.
You're obviously videotaping it so you can read it off my shirt.
No, I can't. I don't have my glasses on, so tell me your badge numbers. It's facing me and I can't turn it around. So what's your badge number? Say it. Sir?
You can read it.
Sir, what's your badge number, sir?
You can read it.
Sir, what is your badge number?
You can read it.
Sir, what is your badge number? No, I can't. I don't have my fucking glasses. If I can't get out of my car. 408. What's yours? 513.
Actually, you know what? How much have you had to drink tonight?
I was at work all night.
Yep, and you work at a bar. Okay? When you just stepped out of the car to scream in my face, I detected a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage emanating from your breath. So
No.
I'm going to ask you to do a field sobriety test.
I'm not doing it.
Then you're going to go to jail.
I'm not
Step
doing
out of the
it.
car.
No, I'm not doing it.
Step out of the car.
Sir, I'm not doing it.
Step out of the car.
No. No, I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. Don't do that to me.
Well, you walked away. You got out of your car and screamed in my face.
You didn't give me your badge number.
Where I can smell your breath.
You did not give me your
Get out of
badge
the car.
number.
Get out of the car.
You did not give me your badge number.
I'm asking you one last time to get out of your car.
No. No, sir. Don't do that to me. You didn't give me your badge number.
I think you've been drinking a little bit,
No, I haven't drank.
and I'd like you to do a field sobriety test.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Step out. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
No, sir.
Step out of the
No,
car.
sir.
All right, last chance. You're going to jail. What's she doing? Just climb on the passenger seat of the car.
No, sir. I'm not doing that. This is excessive.
It's not excessive. We haven't done anything to you yet except for
Sir,
crashing out of the
I
car.
asked you your badge number. You made me come out of the car. I'm not doing this. Please don't do this to me, please. This is the rest of my life. Please don't do this to me.
Do this to yourself. Step out of the car.
No, I'm not. No. I'm not doing it.
Step out.
No.
Last chance.
No. My mom and somebody else is coming in here. Please, sir, no. No. No, please. No.
Tell the cop. Let's do this anymore, okay?
I didn't do anything.
Relax.
No.
Relax. Put her on the ground. Relax. Listen, relax.
No.
Relax. Just go down.
I didn't do anything.
Just relax.
Please don't do this to me.
Relax.
Please.
All right, hang on. Her head's underneath.
No, please. Please. I am debilitating anxiety. Please, my mom is coming. My mom is right there. My mom. Please. No, my mom. My mom is right there. No, my mom is right there. My mom is not right. This means she's coming. Please, my mom is. Please. No, please. Please do not.
Listen, do you have anything?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Have what on me?
Anything that's to hurt us or yourself?
No, please.
Okay.
No, please. No. No, please.
Check your phone.
Can you please give me my slipper?
Got some in his hand right here.
Can you please? It's my jewel.
All right, I got it.
Relax. We got it.
My jewel. Charger is on the ground. Please, it's right there. Can you please? Can somebody fix my socks? Can somebody fix my? Please.
Sit in the car.
Please, somebody fix.
Fix it in the center.
I have debilitating. I need my Xanax. I need my. Please. No, I have officers. I have debilitating. Please, somebody fix. Please, sir, please fix my socks. No, please, sir, fix my socks. Department, she is on the way down here. Please, my mommy is coming. My mommy is coming. My mom.
Huh? Hang on. All right, listen. You're suspected of driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and/or drugs. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions or give statements. If you answer questions or give statements, they can and will be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you.
Please don't do this.
You have the right to be examined at your own expense,
My mom is
immediately by a physician selected by you.
Pick me up. You told me they can pick
You
me
will be
up.
afforded a reasonable opportunity to exercise this right.
Please, let me go. I want my mom.
Put your hands behind your back.
I want my mom.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
want my mom.
Put your hand behind your back.
I want my mom. I have debilitating anxiety with Klonopin.
Put your hand behind your back and stop resisting.
Sir,
Stop
I'm
resisting.
Sir, I'm not resisting.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sir, I'm small.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sorry, I have
Put your other hand behind your back.
Sir, I'm small.
Put a light flashlight on me.
Oh, sir, I'm small. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Sir, you're hurting me. Oh, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Ow. 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 Sir, you're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. Sir, please stop. Sir, please, you're hurting me. Please.
Put your hand behind your back and stop.
You're hurting me.
We won't hurt you if you stop. Just listen to us.
I have a shoulder injury. Sir, I have a shoulder injury. Sir, I have a dislocated shoulder. You're hurting me. I kept saying, sir, you're hurting me. You wouldn't stop.
Because you want to put your hand behind your back. You're
Because
resisting
you're-
arrest.
Because I can't. It wasn't resisting arrest if I'm in pain. No, it's not, sir. I can't put my arm behind my back that way. It hurt. Do you still have your body cam on? So the tiniest person in this room. I have debilitating anxiety.
You're gonna calm down and work with us.
I don't.
Calm down and work with us. Listen, shh. You better read you something. We're gonna try and work to get you out. You have to calm down.
I can't.
You're gonna sit.
I really, my anxiety, please, officers, I'm
You gotta sit.
asking you, I will sit.
This is huge. Refusing a field sobriety test, or later, a chemical test, can carry automatic penalties depending on the state. It doesn't necessarily prove intoxication, but it does trigger consequences like license suspension. At this point, the outcome is narrowing fast. Question for you. Would you comply and risk failing? Or
Please just take these off of my
That's not up to
wrist.
me.
Please.
I'm gonna take them off. If you do anything stupid, they're going right back
I
on.
swear to God, I won't do anything stupid. I was
Turn
just
off,
saying,
turn off, relax.
please call me Katie, stop calling me
Katie,
Catherine.
oh, you say Catherine. I'll try to respect you.
Catherine is my government name, but I just
You like that?
Katie.
Katie? Okay.
Just leave your right hand by your side.
Okay, just put this down on your side.
Not right yet.
There we go. I should put it down on your side.
Hold on, hold on,
Hey,
hold on.
hey, hey, hey. Let me get the other one off for you.
So my insurance is $1,800 a month. I already had one DUI. I can't afford another one. That's why I hid in that parking lot because I was leaving.
That's fine, I'll take those. Send them mine, okay?
So I was leaving work and we had like 2 beers and 2 Budweiser. It was a little bit too much when I was driving. My ex home and I dropped you off and then I saw you guys.
Calm down, we're gonna try and get you out of here fast. Hey, I gotta read this to you, alright?
Please don't give me a second one.
I have to read this to you, alright?
But the only reason that I got out of the car is because you asked me.
I did, and what you got right in my face, I smelled the overwhelming odor of alcohol.
I had
Then
2 beers.
But listen,
But I had
Katie,
2 beers.
Katie.
Come on,
Listen,
man.
can you hear me?
I can't afford it. Bye, please.
Let me know where to start.
Please, but please, I can't. My insurance is already $1,800 a month. I'm gonna kill myself now.
Alright, listen to me.
I'm gonna go home, and now this is why I kill myself.
Relax.
Relax.
No, this is why I kill myself.
We're gonna get this for you. Okay, we're gonna try and get you out of here. You're gonna chill out.
No, you can't give me another DUI. Please. Please.
Let me know when I can do this. Alright. Alright. Rhode Island law requires you to submit to a chemical test of your blood, breath, or urine for the purpose of determining the chemical content of your body fluids or breath. If you refuse this test, certain penalties can be imposed, include the following. For a first offense, your Rhode Island driver's license or privilege to operate a motor vehicle in the state can be suspended for 6 months to 1 year or modified to permit operation in connection with ignition interlock device for a period of specific by law. A fine of $200 to $500 can't be opposed. You could be ordered to perform 10 to 60 hours of community service and attend a special course on driving while intoxicated or under the influence of a controlled substance or alcohol or drug treatment. If you had one or more previous offenses in the past 5 years, your refusal to submit to a chemical test of breath or urine at this time can have criminal penalties, including incarceration of up to 6 months for a second offense and up to 1 year for a third or subsequent offense. It can carry increased license suspension or ignition interlock period fines and community service. All violators shall pay a $500 highway assessment fee, a $200 Department of Health chemical testing programs assessment fee, and a license reinstatement fee. Refusal to submit to a chemical test of blood shall not subject you to criminal penalties for the refusal itself, but if you have one or more previous offenses, other civil penalties may increase.
What does that mean for me?
Let me finish and I'll explain it. You have the right to be examined at your own expense by a physician selected by you. If you submit to a chemical test at this time, you have the right to have an additional chemical test performed at your own expense. You'll be afforded a reasonable opportunity to exercise these rights. Access to a telephone will be made available for you to make those arrangements. Did you want to make a phone call?
I don't understand why those things meant. Like, are you, like, I haven't been subject to a field sobriety or an alcohol test. The only reason that it was so is because you asked me to read your badge number to get out of the car. And it felt...
You don't recall me asking you to do a field sobriety test, at which time you decided you wanted to climb from your driver's seat to your passenger seat, and you kept saying, no, you're not going to do it?
The only reason I was outside of the driver's seat was because you made me read your badge number.
I didn't make you do anything, okay?
He said, what's my badge number? And he made me get out of the driver's seat. He made me get out of the driver's seat. I was sitting there.
All right, he's not the one running this. I'm the one running this.
I'm speaking to
right.
you. I'm talking.
I don't believe it. Yep.
I would like to speak to my mother. No, I don't like you.
It doesn't matter if you like me or not.
I don't like you.
I am the arresting officer.
Where's my, where?
You can make a phone call right here.
Where is my phone?
I have your phone.
Can I have it?
You can make a phone call right
Can
here.
I have it to find my
No.
phone number?
Listen, you don't bark orders here.
Can I have it to find my phone number to call my mom? I don't know my mom's phone number off the top of my head.
You're not going to dictate how this goes. Okay, this isn't my first day on the job. Have a seat.
I'm not having a seat.
So we just pick up the phone. And
Can I have my phone?
That's your mom's phone number.
I would like my
Doesn't
phone.
matter. That's not how this
Where is
goes.
she? Is my mom?
Refuse and face guaranteed penalties. And this is the moment everything becomes physical. Once it reaches this stage, the legal focus shifts to resisting arrest and use of force. Whether the initial stop was justified almost becomes secondary. This is why compliance, even if you plan to fight it later in court, is often advised. Because right here, the situation is no longer a conversation. It's an arrest.